Well, greetings and welcome to The View from the Road. This is my mostly weekly video talking about the goings-on in the Thompson School District and the surrounding Loveland area, for which I am an educational representative for Boomer Music Company. Lots of stuff going on this week. I'll start with one that I've talked about quite a bit before, which is long-term repair needs. Meaning if you've got instruments that you know you want to get fixed, you've identified that you've got the funds to do it, which is always the biggest challenge, and you're just waiting for the right time to do it. The time is now. Instead of waiting until this summer, when we get into late April, May, June, God forbid. If you've got instruments now that are broken and not working, but you definitely know you want to send in and have fixed, do it now. Either I can come get stuff or bring it by the store. We can have someone do that. That's very, very doable. The reason being, not that the shop is ever not busy, but this tends to be a less volume time of year for the shop, as opposed to last day of school when people just drop van loads of stuff on us, which is fine. The difference is you get stuff in now. We strive for first in, first out. So if we have a fighting chance of getting to your stuff in February and March and in early April, you might even have it back before the school year is over for some of these really big jobs. Because as always, we're trying to get in parts, we're trying to do stuff like that. So moral of the story, if you've got identified need, send it in now, happy to take it. The other thing that I'm working on this week is something that I've really been wanting to do for a while, which is helping other people make videos kind of showing the cool stuff that they're doing and in getting the word out for that. And I was able to today record a video, which should be coming out later this week, for a teacher that is doing an alumni concert and inviting people who have been associated in the past with her school and her program back. And I'm excited to do that, and I've got scheduled to record another one tomorrow with a different director who's taking his orchestra out on a trip. And want to get the word out for that because there's lots of really cool stuff going on within our musical community in the Northern Colorado area, and I want to make sure that everyone realizes that we've got great, talented people doing wonderful, amazing things, and these are programs that you want to notice. You want your kids to participate in if they can. You want to support in every way possible because there's some really great things going on. So anyway, be on the lookout for those videos coming out soon. I'm excited to be doing it, and I'm hoping to be able to do more of that. So that is your View from the Road. Lots going on this week. As always, like, share, subscribe, check out the other videos in the channel, including the ones that I'm going to be releasing here soon for those directors, and we'll catch up with you next time.
Thank you for riding along and seeing The View from the Road. If you liked this video, please share it with a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, and you will never miss a new video. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company and educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado. Thanks for watching.